Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to System Power and Sleep. This is where display sleep timeouts live. If you use Windows key +I, you'll get there faster. Once done, check whether you're on battery or plugged-in settings so you change the correct column. Make sure you have administrator rights if corporate policies lock options, and if you use a laptop, connect or disconnect power to see both lists. You now change the actual timeouts, set screen off and sleep independently so the display and system behave how you want. Click the drop-down under battery or plugged in and pick a value. Use minutes for short tweaks or hours for extended idle periods. Once you choose a new time, the change applies immediately. You can test by waiting or locking the PC. If you need fine control, open additional power settings. You finish by confirming the settings and testing behavior. Lock the PC or wait the timeout to ensure the display sleeps as expected. If changes don't stick, restart once. Make sure display drivers are updated and that group policy or management software isn't overriding your choices. Once done, verify external monitors and docking stations respond too. Tip: if sleep still fails, open Event Viewer for power-related errors and update graphics drivers. These two fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.